guys, today's video is waking up 5 a.m. every morning. Yeah, something like that. So it's the night before school, Sunday. Let's prepare myself. I just got my laptop back, not a couple of, last night. It's finally, the screen is finally fixed. If you didn't know, it was broke. Why did I just throw it down? You just got this fixed. Now you want to break it again? Season 4 just came out. So you guys, this morning, it was not that bad to get up. I got up at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow, I don't know how it is. Right now, watch it on my vlog. Yep, it just came out. And I'm dressed, ready to go to school. Oh my gosh. So you guys, this morning I didn't record that much, but I did wake up at 5 o'clock. I wasn't tired. But tomorrow, I don't know what it might be like. I still gotta wake up at 5 o'clock. I'm about to actually do some homework. So yeah, see y'all in the morning. Day 2. So, my hair is starting to get frizzy, but I'm about to take it out tomorrow. I want to take it out today, but no. I'm going to wear it one more day and then take it out for a twist out. It is 6 o'clock right now. I have a whole nother hour before I leave. That is crazy how I'm already done getting ready by 6 o'clock. So I have a whole hour to do whatever. I could go to sleep if I wanted to, but I'm not really tired. Oh, what time? I think the only reason why I'm getting up at 5 o'clock is because I'm filming a video. And that's why. The only reason why I think I'm only getting up at 5 o'clock. If my alarm was set for 5 o'clock and I won't film a video, I'd probably oversleep that alarm. I really would. And then, on the other case, I wouldn't even get up when the alarm go off. I wouldn't look at it. I would let it ring and snooze. So this is my outfit. Just a plain shirt that says "Have a blessed day" with some black leggings and those metallic Crocs. Very simple and easy because we get out of school early because teacher parent conference. So we get out at 1. And then I have a dentist appointment to go to. That's going to be fun. So, I'm back from getting my teeth pulled. I also went to Sam's Club to pick me a bag of chips up. Didn't need them, but I still did. And I'm about to go to sleep because I'm very agitated right now. So, you guys, I overslept my 5 o'clock alarm, which I already knew that I was going to oversleep because I went to bed a little bit later, going on 12 o'clock. And I am going to get up at 5. I got up at 6:15, which I should have went ahead and got up at 5 o'clock because it don't make no sense. I could have got everything done and been finished this next video. But right now I'm about to take my hair out. Well, like a twist out, and I just wore a dress today. And I'm going to have some tennis shoes on. Hey guys, this is what my hair looks like. It don't look bad. It really doesn't. This is what the back of it look like. I don't know what the back of my hair looks like. I was trying to get the middle part out the back. That's all. Oops. I can't see the back of my hair. So yeah. This is what the front looks like. Why does it keep doing it? This is what the back looks like. One more time. Side, front. Not gonna keep touching it because it can make it more frizzier. Oh, I need to turn this light off. Why are you all making this hard? So, I'm eating cereal once again. And I'm about to watch, trying to pull up Netflix on my Chromebook. So you guys, I know it's not the morning time, but I just wanted to come on camera and say I will be going to bed early tonight and getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't have to go to school in the morning because I have a dentist appointment to go to at 8:40 in the morning. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get purple on my braces. That's one of my friends told me the colors to get. So I'll just do that color because I don't really know what colors to be picking when I go anyway. Your girl is studying for a PSAT. They just got the books in for something like the PSAT practice book. And it has questions on it. So, you know, I've been going over. But I have my own books as well. My own PSAT books. And it has study questions in it. But they told us that we had to come pick that up because we had other information to pick up as well for the test. Not again. This challenge is getting harder and harder each day to get up at 5 o'clock. I'm up at 5:15.